Have you ever looked at someone building wealth and wondered, how do they do it? Is it luck, a high-paying job, a side hustle? Sometimes, but more often, the answer is investing. In this video, we'll break down how you can start investing in 2025, even with a small budget, and avoid the most common mistakes beginners make. No confusing jargon, no risky shortcuts, just simple steps to grow your money safely and smartly. Stick around to the end for a bonus offer that makes your first investment even easier. What is investing? Let's start with the basics. What is investing? Investing is putting your money into something with the goal that it grows over time. You're using your money to buy assets that can increase in value or generate income. These include Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The opposite of investing is saving, where your money is parked safely but earns very little interest. Let's compare. If you save $10,000 at 3% interest, in 10 years you'll have about $13,439. But if you invest it with an average return of 8% per year, it can grow to over $21,589. That difference, almost $8,000, is the power of compound growth. Investing is how your money works for you, even while you sleep. How much do you need to start? Think investing is only for the rich? Wrong. That's one of the biggest myths out there. Thanks to new platforms, you can start investing in 2025 with as little as $5. You don't need thousands, just consistency. Platforms like SoFi offer fractional shares. Buy part of a stock, not the whole thing. No account minimums. Zero commission trades, automatic investing tools. Even investing $10 a week adds up over time. $10 per week at 8% return equals over $7,000 in 10 years. $25 per week equals over $18,000. You can build wealth, slowly but surely, starting right now. The key? Start today, no matter how small. Where should beginners invest first? So now you're ready to invest. But what should you actually buy? Here are some beginner-friendly choices to help you start smart. 1. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of ETFs like a basket of stocks. Instead of buying one company, you buy many at once. This helps reduce risk. Example, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO. It holds 500 of the top US companies. 2. Index funds. Index funds are similar. They track entire market indexes, like the S&P 500, and often come with low fees. 3. Blue chip stocks. These are stable, well-known companies that have been around for years. They may grow slower, but they're considered reliable. These are great for people who want to own individual companies with a strong reputation. 4. High-yield savings and money market accounts. Not technically investing, but great for emergency funds. They don't grow much, but they're safe and accessible. What to avoid for now? When you're just starting out, it's smart to avoid high-risk assets like penny stocks, meme stocks, risky cryptocurrencies, complex options trading. Stick to the basics. Build your foundation first. Keep it simple, steady, and smart. Even smart people make mistakes when they first start investing. Let's go over 5 common mistakes you should avoid. Number 1, investing without understanding. Don't buy a stock just because you saw it trending on TikTok or Reddit. Learn what you're buying, why you're buying it, and how it fits your goals. Number 2, putting all your money into one stock. That's way too risky. If that one company fails, so does your investment. Number 3, panicking when the market drops. Markets go up and down. It's totally normal. The worst thing you can do is sell in a panic. Number 4, not having a plan. Ask yourself, why am I investing? How much can I afford? How long will I invest? What level of risk is okay for me? Number 5, trying to get rich quick. Investing is not gambling. It's about patience, discipline, and consistency. Avoid these traps, and you'll be miles ahead of most beginner investors. Feeling ready? Here's your simple 5-step plan to start investing in 2025. 1. Set your goal. Are you saving for retirement, a new home, financial freedom? 2. Build an emergency fund. Before investing, save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. 3. Choose a platform. We recommend SoFi. It's beginner-friendly and comes with fractional shares, no commissions, auto investing, plus a bonus when you sign up with the referral link below. 4. Start with ETFs or index funds. These are simple, safe, and diverse. Set it and forget it. 5. Automate your investing. Set up auto investing weekly or monthly. Forget market timing. Just stay consistent. You're now equipped to start investing the smart way. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about growing your money slowly, safely, and consistently. Ready to take action? Join SoFi today using the referral link in the description and get a bonus to kickstart your journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance videos. Share this with a friend who wants to start investing in 2025. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time, right now.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Investing involves risks, and there's no guarantee that any strategy or investment mentioned will be profitable or suitable for your situation. Everyone's financial goals and circumstances are different, so it's always a good idea to do your own research and consider speaking with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. By using the information in this video, you agree that you are solely responsible for your investment choices and outcomes.